I return home in the dark, driving the last 6 miles with no lights so as not to wake the deer or be spotted from the hot air balloons I know have been drifting silently above the countryside. There, a balloon-shaped lack of stars moves smoothly, obscuring the Milky Way. I stop at the end of the driveway and move the bushes aside, stopping again to replace them behind me. I'll fill my bathtub with brandy. I'll hide cocaine and donuts and sell them at the Box Social. I'll go north and sell rifles to bears. I swear I will. Certainly, I will not sleep, even when I should sleep, even when I am tired and comfortable and want to sleep. That is when I'll watch little films about wars. I'll chew leaves and get up to piss every 20 minutes. I'll do this to dream about abandoned schools. Later, I will meet your mother, the doctor of psychology. She will encourage me to take mescaline and cry in her office while she undresses and stands before me holding a bowl of withered dandelions. She will tell me how cleansing this will be for both of us, and for years, I will believe her. By then, of course, I will be well known from all the press conferences with the mayor. The mayor will put his arm around my shoulders, beaming as I reveal the evidence to eager local reporters. Burnt smells, the constant night, bird deaths, glass eyes, hot air balloons, the recent wave of dandelion crime. The police in town will avoid me, sometimes making wild U-turns in their squad cars after seeing me stopped at a red light. Now my house is nothing but an aluminum grid covered in sod. Salesmen come to see me just to get lost in the woods. They meet Mormon missionaries in soiled shirts with weak old beards. They say, "We've been trying to travel in one direction, but the North Star is always disappearing, and we always wind up here, next to this old, rusted Model T."